My name is Maiko Kyogoku.
I'm Emily Yuen.
And we are owner and chef of Bessou restaurant. Chicken karaage is Japanese-style fried chicken. Every country has some type of fried chicken. It's a beloved dish and Japan is no exception. In Japanese cuisine, chicken thigh is used for karaage and it's oftentimes marinated in soy sauce and it's, a form of fried chicken, but it tastes a little bit different from southern fried chicken or shake and bake fried chicken. It's made with potato starch, so it makes it extra crispy on the outside. It's double fried, so in that process of double frying, it somehow tastes light, even though it's fried food, and I think that's what people are most interested about.
So when we make chicken, first we marinate the chicken overnight with sake, mirin, and soy sauce.
Marinating the chicken overnight in the soy sauce and the mirin, which is a sweet sake, brings out some of the kind of sweet, savory notes of a traditional karaage.
And then we make a slurry using eggs and flour. And then we dip it in potato starch and shake it off. After we put potato starch on it, we fry it at a lower temperature for about 10 minutes. And then we'll take it out, let it rest for half an hour, and then we'll fry it at a higher temperature for about 2 minutes. It just becomes a little bit more crispy when you fry at the second stage. That's always what we're looking for, more crunch.
Karaage is usually flavored by the marinade, but then our twist to it is putting this almost kind of shawarma mixed spice dusting on top to give it a little different twist.
The spices consist of like paprika, some salt, cumin, coriander, cinnamon, cayenne, garlic, gochugaru, dried parsley.
At the restaurant, we serve larger pieces of chicken thigh to kind of mimic traditional American fried chicken, but normally in izakayas or at home, karaage is a lot smaller. They're almost like chicken nuggets. That's another nod to New York as opposed to, sticking with tradition. In Japan, Christmas time is synonymous with fried chicken. A lot of people go to KFC and get a bucket of fried chicken and it's like a real party.
Who doesn't love fried chicken? Everything that we have on the menu, we always try to bring like a memory from our home, whether it be her home or like my home.
Bessou means home away from home, and we want people to enjoy and just kind of share and not have too many formalities and kind of pass the dishes around like you would at home.